In this video, I will explain to you how to take the determinants of the matrices. Suppose you have a matrix, we can write down, make it suppose this one, right? So the question is to take the determinant. So keep in mind that this symbol represents the matrices. We are going to take the determinant, so we will use these two straight lines. So how we will write down this is called the determinant of A equal to, or we write determinant of A. The same elements we will write down in these two straight lines. So how to take it? First you have to multiply these two entries, 4 multiplied by -2, right? This is first, and then you have to use the negative sign, and then you have to multiply these two. Keep in mind you have to multiply first this, right? And 7 multiplied by 6, it will be -8, and this will be 7 6 times 56, so it will be -64 is the determinant of A. So simple. What you have to do, you have to cross multiply these two, and then we have to use this negative sign between these, and then subtract, sorry, and then you have to multiply these two. Get it? You will receive the answer, right? Okay, so here I will give you another example. Suppose we have B, any number we will write down here. So determinant of B is equal to, you have to multiply these two first. 6 multiplied by 2, negative. 1 multiplied by 0, it is 12 minus 0, which is equal to 12. So 12 is the determinant, right? So easy. If still you have any problem or any question, write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.